This is for all you music players out there. Do you ever experience the frustration of playing a piece and turning pages and getting too many pages or getting too little pages, or flipping over too many times, and then you flip over and then you're playing and then oh snap, and then you have to go back. And so I experienced this as a piano player, and I'm sure you experienced this as a trumpet player, as a trombone player. And then I saw this lady in church the other day that she had her music up there on the piano. The air conditioner turned on and it blew everything everywhere, and she was picking it up off the floor. Somebody was up there helping her, and it was just chaos, right? So something that I've kind of not really dreamed up, but come up with to help out with this is my solution to not having to do all this is to just simply put it in digital format. Let me show you how that's done. So a solution I found to this is just a simple Android tablet that's roughly the size of a page, or a Windows tablet, or you could probably even do it with an iPad, but I don't touch Apple, so sorry. But it's this cool thing called MobileSheets Pro, and you come in here and this is where you can keep all of your music, and then rather than you turning the pages, it will simply allow you to turn the pages by the touch of a button. And so that'll allow you to go to the next page, and then if you need to go back to the coda, then you simply tap the back and it'll go back, tap the forward and it'll go forward. Pretty cool little program here. I'm a big fan, and it's really easy to load. So if I wanted to load my things, I would just come in here to new files that I create, and I would go out to my cloud and grab them. So I did this with music. Is all you do is simply look for your music that you've created, that you've taken a picture of, and as you take a picture of it and bring it in, let me see if I have one. So this is one that I did just this last week, and so you take a picture of it, and then you push OK to import it, and it takes all your stuff, it brings it in from your drive, shows you exactly what it's going to look like, how many pages are in it. This is a PDF. It automatically fills in the PDF for you, and so there you have it. Now your music is in digital format, so that if you are playing the piano like you are, or a trumpet, or anything, and the AC turns on, it doesn't matter. You can just push the next page, and you're on your next page. You're on your next page. You need to go back to the coda, you just go back, and thus it is. Pretty simple process. I do it through this program called MobileSheets Pro. It's available on the Windows Store and also on Android. Again, not sure about Apple, but it creates your whole library of music so that you don't have to go through the hassle of having pages or turning books, and it creates it all digitally. So it makes your life tons easier and not so chaotic.